You may have visited some websites and you realize that there's a navigation or a bar at the top that if you click on it, you go to homepage, about our services, blog, and contact us, and anything in between. So those are called pages. And in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create pages within WordPress. So head over to your WordPress dashboard and then go to pages. You can either click on add new page or click on all pages. And one thing that you need to do is to click on add new page once you go to all pages section. And once you are there, if you are actually watching this page for the very first time, I just want to give you an overview of what you're seeing here. Okay, a pop-up is going to come that is going to give you options for patterns, but I'm not going to add that. So there is the plus icon. Okay, there is the WordPress icon. If you click on that, you're going to go back to your WordPress dashboard. There's the plus icon, which can help you to insert some of the sections or paragraphs or list or anything in between or images onto your page. And then there is the tools icon. If you click on that, you'll be able to see that there's an edit or select, and there is the undo and redo, and then the document overview, the title, and then here's the option whereby you can actually preview your. If you click on this computer icon, it means you're seeing this from a desktop view. If you need to see from a mobile or tablet, you can just select one of those and then you click publish. There is also settings, if you need to hide settings, if you need to open settings. So these are the settings for the page, and these are the settings for the blog, which you're going to be talking about on a later stage. And then if you scroll down, you're going to notice that if you have added anything in relation to page creation, in this case, there is the SEO plugin that we have added. For some of you, if you have used all-in-one SEO, you'll be able to see that. So I'm going to collapse this because this lesson is all about how to create a page. And then one thing that you do is you create home. And then a lot of people use home anyway. And then the next thing that you do, you can actually save draft or publish. In this case, I'm going to publish. And I'm going to publish again. Okay. And it's actually saving and publishing. So I can view the page. If I click on view page, let me open in a new tab. If I click on view page, basically it's just home, and this is the footer. Okay, a footer appears across all the pages, and as you can see that now we have a navigation here that has got home. Okay, so again, I can redo the process by going to the dashboard and add a new page. But in this case, since there is a shortcut here, I'm just going to click here, add new page again. So I'm adding a second page. And remember, our website, we just need to have maybe, I'm going to have 3 pages, okay? I would say here, about us. Let me just say about us. And then I'm going to put capital letter U. And then all I have to do is to click publish. And then publish. Okay, and now I'm going to click on add new page again. If I click on add new page, I'm going to click on contact us. Okay, I'm going to close this. Contact us, and then I'm going to put contact us the proper spelling. As you can see, the title is actually changed, and then I'm going to click publish. And then publish here, and it's actually saving. Now if I go to our website right now, I'm going to refresh this. I should be able to see about us, contact us, and home. So what this simply means, if someone clicks here, they'll be able to see the contact us page, and then here they'll be taken to the home page, as you can see that. Okay, so the footer is remaining the same. We're going to be working on the footer on other videos. So that's how you add pages to your WordPress website. And another page that I'm going to add, but this is optional, is a blog page. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click add page again, and once I click on add page, I need to add a blog page. So a lot of people, they use different names. Some of them, they use updates. Some people use, let me just close this. Some people use news. And in this case, I'm just going to use blog. Okay. So a blog is a page that is going to be dedicated for the articles that we are writing. And one thing that you need to understand is optional to have a blog page. Okay. But for those people that want to focus on blogging, I will be able to cover that in this lesson. But again, it's very optional. So if I go to pages, if I refresh, I'm going to see that my pages are now added here. And if I go to my website, if I can click on, if I can click on the refresh, I have about us, blog, contact us, and home. And we're going to notice that this arrangement is not in order. So we need to have the home first and then rearrange this and about and blog and contact us last. So with that said, take a screenshot of how you have, the pages that you have added for your website. Don't add too much, just add a few pages. And once you click on these, like I said, you'll be able to be taken to the respective pages. With that said, I want to hear about your progress within the community. I'll be more than happy to give you feedback and give you answers to whatever you are doing. And thank you.